Hello sir, my name is Harsh Vijayavargya and I am here to present a case study on grocery shops to fight malls. Introduction of this case study. This case is related to strategic management. The grocery shops are adversely affected with the emergence of many and supermarkets. A supermarket gives the option to the customer to wander around the store and pick out a desired product that were initially not in their shopping list, whereas a local grocery store only has some limited number of items. The other reasons are as follows: price consideration, promotional offer, and locations. In the term of size, grocery stores tend to be small and content and typically don't often much beyond food and drink. When it comes to supermarket, that also offer a big ticket item such as appliances, and it also much bigger. A supermarket is a mainly food and will have a many fresh food areas such as a produce, meat deal, meat, daily bakery. They may sell non-food items such as a healthy and beauty care, household cleaning, pet food, but the focus is on food. A superstore will potentially have a grocery section of a varying size, but it will also have a many other non-food areas, and the focus is offer on clothing, home decor, and many other areas. Grocery is just one small area of many in a supermarket. Relevance with management. Retailing help the product to reach the final customer. It is relevant to management because multidimensional, varying geographical location, assortment of product and services, private branding and labeling, customer satisfaction. Short analysis of this case study. In a strength, increase in demand, improved standard of living, technological advancement, and a weakness, stringent labor of laws, lack of specialized professional in the industry, inadequate infrastructure, lack of expertise in supply chain management. Opportunity, change in consumer behavior pattern, increase in disposable income, upcoming international players, healthy prospect for the fashion industry. In a threats, competition from unorganized sector to the organized sector, increasing real estate prices, middle class psychology. In a individual assessment, the question which was asked to me: discuss the strategy being adopted by trader to counter the organized retailer. Answer: the strategy is adopted by traders was as follows: buying a good in bulk from manufacturers and passing the discount to customers. The local traders decided to form a merchant association to increase their bargaining power. When purchased in bulk, cost of good will be decreased by 2 to 8% branded product. The association will also help the trader to solve their dispute with supplier. The second question it was asked to me: apart from price, what are the other considerations that make a superstore like a Big Bazaar score over the local traders? Answer: the other considerations are as follows: promotional offer, brand name, ambitions, store space, better after sales and service, replacement of stock on time, proportion of private national brands, location, variety and quality advertisement. The conclusion of this case study: forming a merchant association would help the grocery shops to overcome the pricing issue. It would also help in giving better after sales service and variety to the customers. But the mall and other stores like Big Bazaar will still continue to enjoy the advantage over local traders in the term of ambitions, brand name, location and advertisement, etc. Thank you.